was in August 2014 that Comrade Somya, then of SASCO on the SRC, had proposed the renaming of the new Science Lecture Theatre to be renamed as the Chris Hani Lecture Theatre. And the main motivation was that that was the last public venue space where he addressed an audience just before his assassination, and Council approved it in August 2015.
So my job here is to basically give a word of support for the renaming of this building. But it would be very disingenuous of me to say that simply naming a building to Chris Hani is going to bring about transformation and decolonization into this institution, when the structure that we actually still live under in this institution is one of oppressive nature. What we must seek, and what Comrade Chris Hani seek, is actually the restructuring of this institution to ensure that black students that are from Kaili, Chakupuletu, have access into this institution.
So there's a beautiful, to my mind, beautiful connection with UCT. It's very wonderful to see his name here. Names do matter. They're not everything. They're not a substitute for other things, but they do matter. And they're there because people have struggled. They're not there because a few intellectuals had an idea, wouldn't it be nice? They're there in response to people struggling. We got our Constitution through struggle, and we'll be able to implement the promise of the Constitution through struggle. I believe I can honestly say that is the message of the presence of Chris Hani, his spirit and his name in this university. Thank you.
We're delighted that this renaming today, contributing to the transformation of our university, is also an opportunity to recognize someone whose values are so important to the university, someone who displayed leadership, enormous courage, commitment to a cause and to a struggle, someone who did become a martyr, someone who brought intellectual sharpness to the debates within the Communist Party, within the ANC, and someone who led by example and who was at the forefront of that struggle.
I hope that the new lecture theatre, or the renamed lecture theatre, which now bears the name Chris Hani, will be a forum, an appropriate forum for collective empowerment, for rational and reflective discussion and learning. I trust, in short, that it will earn the name Chris Hani. Thank you very much.
I am so proud of the UCT students for unashamedly and unapologetically fighting for a place in our history and carving a relevant future for African students. And the Hani family would really like to give a huge thanks to SASCO and the members for pushing this endeavor. Thank you.